trying to paint a clear picture of what it is to bestow, of how we'll live when we know we can't live like this anymore. I can see my children and my wife. We live a simple life. I can feel their hearts are close to mine. We're intertwined, a family. I'm trying to paint a clear picture of what it is to bestow, of how we'll live when we know we can't live like this anymore. I can see my arms reach towards the friends. We join hands and work as one man. I can feel your desire as my own. I live so you'll never lack or feel alone. I'm trying to paint a clear picture of what it is to bestow, of how we'll live when we know we can't live like this. We can't live in isolation anymore. We can't live as strangers like before, with shuttered windows and locked doors. We know we can't live like this anymore. I can see the space is opening to reveal the connections in between. I can feel that hearts are softening around a world that is ready to receive, to give. We're ready to receive, to give. We're ready to